Hello friends. So today's task is write a C program to find sum and average of n numbers. So we need to input n numbers and we need to find out sum and average. So first we need to input one limit. So we can declare one variable int limit. Then we need to print of enter your limit. Then we can put slash n. Then we need to scan the data, right? So we can scan of percentage d and limit. So suppose we are inputting 2, then we need to scan two numbers. Okay. So in that case, we need to use a loop. Inside the loop, we need to scan the data. Right. So here we can use one for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than up to this limit, right? Limit. Then I plus plus, right? So suppose we are entering 2, then I equal to 0 to up to 2. So it will loop up to 2 times, right? Here we need to scan the data. So here we can put scan of. So we need to input just integer data only. So percentage d. So this data we need to store in one variable. So here we can put just num. Then here we can put and num. So we are scanning this data. Okay. Now we want to find the sum, right? So here we can sum the data. So for that we need to use another variable. We can use sum that we can initialize like 0. Here we can sum the data, right? So we can use sum plus equal to, we can do no, right? So we can assign this scan of multiple times and add that num value to this variable sum, right? Okay. Now next we want to find the average, right? So here we can put so average. So how to find out average? So we will get the sum, right? The total amount divided by how many numbers we are using. That is the limit, right? So sum divided by limit. That is the average, right? So average maybe it will become like a float only, right? Decimal only. So we can give here float. Float AVJ average. That is 0. That we can initialize to 0. Then we can put here AVJ is equal to sum divided by limit, right? Then we can print of this data, print of. Here also one issue is there that we can check. Sum is equal to, we can put percentage D, average is equal to percentage D. No, average is ABJ is equal to that is float only, right? So here we can put yes and D. So sum is equal to sum average variable is AVJ, right? So now we can run the code, enter your limit. Can put 2, 1, number 2, sum is equal to 3. 2 plus 1, sum is equal to 3, but average is 1 only, right? The decimal part not showing, right? So here one assumes the AVJ, right? So this is also in the sum is also integer, limit also integer, right? So we need to typecast this. We need to typecast float. Okay, then we need to run this. Enter your limit to the 1, 2, sum is equal to 3, average is equal to 1.5. That's correct. Next, we can put 3, 1, 8, three. So sum is equal to 12, average is equal to 4. That's correct. We can put one more. Enter 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sum is equal to 15, average is equal to 3. That's correct. Okay, thank you guys.